Can a $13 TV mount from Home Depot actually get good results? Let's find out. What's going on, everybody? I'm Colite with Royalty Tech. Today we are mounting a TV mount from Home Depot. This is the Link to Home fixed TV mount. All right, it's 26 to 55. We're actually going to see if this is actually good enough. Now, as you all know, I am a TV mounting installer. I have a Home Depot Pro Referral account. However, everything that I use for my products, for my TVs, from the tools, everything I buy straight out of pocket. All right, so we're going to review this mount, see if it's actually good enough, and see what kind of quality that Home Depot is cooking up. All right, so what we're going to do here, open up this box real quick, see exactly what Home Depot is cooking up here on another job site. All right, another 55-inch TV. So let's see what's in the box. Off the cuff, with this from the appeal is, of course, you have your lags. Now these are smaller lags. This is probably going to be something around 10 millimeter. Of course, you have your screws. Look like the longer screws. So of course, you're probably going to need spacers in them. All right, you have bracket. Now with this bracket, it's a screw. Okay, so of course it's going to be really close to the TV. We have this screw on the bottom that's going to lock it in. And then lastly is the mount itself, and that the mount itself actually has a leveling bar on there. If you guys can see that. Okay, it has that little level bar, so that's going to keep us level. So let's mount this TV, see what we're cooking up, right? All right, so let's move that pocket. Alright, so definitely looking at the TV. Of course, today we're using our trusty Makita. One of the reasons why we love this drill, not only is it because it's light, but also right at the top here, there's a little button. This is the gear selector. I love this feature. It's really quick in order to, select through the gears. Love that feature. Right? I have a lot of different drills, and I find myself using all of them at times. But today this is what we're using. Right? So here. I'm actually do 1, 2, 3, 5 from the bottom, or 5 from the top, rather. That should give us a good spacing. Keep the mount hidden. Now, already seeing from the bottom versus the top here that the way this TV is, I'm gonna have a bigger gap here. Right off the top here, as far as the depth of these screws, one is just not good enough. I can see that already, so we're gonna add a couple of washers on there to kind of help that. So in this box, it only gives you one screw pattern. for size depth. So definitely it's going to be an issue. Okay? Already it's not, one of the things that I would look for, because I would like for the TV to actually have more screws in the box. But from the top for this TV, it fits perfectly. Just the bottom is where the issue will lie, especially just for this TV. This is the ON TV from Walmart. So purchase measure. We can get 11/8. It's from upstairs. So here. Here. This side over here. This. Smell this side. See to the side. So see how this is okay. Yeah. 6 studs. The TV is 28. Excuse me. It's a little bit. Sits pretty tight. Level seems to be good. Yeah, it's spot on. It's spot on. Check out the level. All right, level spot on. So looks like that part is good. All right, and of course, I know the biggest thing is going to be the screw on the bottom. I'm going to plug this in first. So check this out. So this is how flat it is to the wall. Okay, so you still got plenty of space for the outlet. Looks pretty good, looks pretty sturdy. Now we just need to see how that screw, you see on the bottom, it's gonna see how that screw, and we're gonna lock that screw in. All right. Okay, so we did need a pretty long screwdriver in order to get that screw locked in and secure, but overall I think it's good. Okay, I mean, I would use this, to be honest. Me personally, as an installer, because I have different types of screw patterns and things like that, The screws don't really bother me as much because I have extras to deal with different size TVs. But for the normal person, that may be a problem for you. Okay, and if it is, maybe you should steer and go a different direction. Some that have a little bit more screws in there to be able to help you out. But look at this. Look at that. That's great right there. All right, Home Depot, y'all did an amazing job with this. Like I said, the only thing I really do not really care too much about this mount is the fact that for the screws, that's pretty much it. And then of course you're gonna need a really long extension in order to get that those 2 screws secure. Outside of that, good job. All right, stay tuned. See you guys on the next video.